I'm sure you're wondering what a juicy burger has to do with the giant battery, but let me explain. This is the Goal Zero Yeti 400. It's a lithium battery pack that has become an essential part of my filmmaking kit. The Yeti 400 is a crucial piece of my equipment that lets me set up shots super quickly, especially without getting in the client's way. It essentially is a big battery bank that lets me plug in all my lights, all my gear, everything I need for a shoot. Here's my setup on a recent restaurant shoot. I have 2 LED panels and a softbox overhead with an LED bulb. And I can plug everything directly in and hit the power button and it's ready to go. The Yeti has more than enough power for a typical shoot. I started this shoot at 80%, and when I was done about 3 hours later, I was only down to 60%. It's got 2 120 volt outlets that makes it easier to plug in, charge things on the go. Plus you get USB ports, 3 of them, that make it easy to charge things like your camera, your phone, all those things that you need on a normal shoot. It also has a 12 volt port and an input port that you plug in the charger it comes with, or I have a solar panel charger that works really great when camping. The unit isn't exactly light, but it's got a nice handle to carry it around set when you're moving it around. It's light enough to carry when you're camping. We use it all the time when we go camping with our fridge and our coffee maker. But on set is where it can't be beat. It's so nice to be able to plug in and know I have power wherever I need it without running cords all along. Most of the time I'm setting up in open restaurants and shops, and so not getting in people's way is important. This is a microphone.
You don't need to just leave it on there.
Yep. I'm a kind of a frugal filmmaker. Instead of running around and buying V-mount batteries and all this gear that's very specialized, I like buying things that kind of can serve multiple purposes. The Yeti is one of those pieces that let me focus on grabbing the perfect shot and getting in and out of a shoot quickly. Thanks for watching.